In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money to Venezuela with Remitly. To get started, open your Remitly account. If you do not have an account yet, you will need to create one first and complete any required verification steps. Make sure you are signed in before moving forward, since that will allow you to access your transfer options and saved recipients more easily. Once you are inside the app or on the website, look at the country shown at the top of the screen and select Venezuela. This step is important because it sets the destination for your transfer and helps Remitly show the correct delivery and payment options available for that country. Take a second to confirm that Venezuela is selected correctly before continuing. After that, click Send Money. This will begin the transfer process and take you to the section where you choose who you are sending money to. If the recipient's contact information is already saved in your account, you can simply click on their contact to continue. This is the fastest option if you have sent money to them before. If the person is not already saved, click New Contact and select their country. Be careful here to choose the correct destination information, since even small mistakes can slow down the transfer process. Enter the recipient details as requested on the screen. It is always a good idea to double-check everything before moving on, especially account information and spelling. Next, enter the amount you want to send. As you type in the amount, Remitly will usually show you the exchange rate, fees, and the amount the recipient is expected to receive. Review these details carefully so you understand the total cost of the transfer before you continue. Then select the delivery method. The options available may vary depending on the recipient and the destination, so choose the one that best matches how the money should be received. After that, select your payment method. This is the method you will use to pay for the transfer, so choose the option that is most convenient for you. Once that is done, click Continue. You will then be asked to enter the recipient's account details if needed, and from there, just follow the prompts shown on your screen. Remitly will guide you through the remaining steps until you are ready to review and confirm the transfer. Before submitting, take one final look at all the information to make sure everything is accurate. That way, your money can be sent smoothly and without unnecessary delays. And that's how to send money to Venezuela with Remitly.